ever wondered what it would be like to step into the world of secret agents? Thanks to cutting-edge technology, SpyGadgets have evolved beyond simple hidden cameras and voice recorders. From high-tech surveillance tools to next-gen security devices, these gadgets push the boundaries of stealth, intelligence, and innovation. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a security-conscious individual, or just a fan of espionage gear, here are 15 spy gadgets that are truly on another level. LUVIA Voice Recorder. The LUVIA Voice Recorder is a compact and versatile spy gadget designed for students, professionals, and journalists. Measuring just 5.7 by 3.2 by 1 centimeters, it easily fits into a pocket or wallet, making it discreet and highly portable. With a 64 GB memory, it offers ample storage for high-quality recordings, while its rechargeable battery supports long-lasting use and even records while charging. The voice-activated feature ensures efficient storage by capturing sound only when detected. Equipped with noise reduction, it delivers clear audio even in noisy environments. Simple to operate with one-button recording, it can also function as an MP3 player. Additionally, seamless USB connectivity makes file transfer effortless. Priced at $39, this voice recorder is an excellent tool for lectures, meetings, and personal notes, offering great value for its features. OHO Smart Camera Glasses. The OHO Smart Camera Glasses are a cutting-edge spy gadget that combines stylish eyewear with a discreet HD camera. Featuring an IP66 waterproof rating, these sunglasses are perfect for water sports, rainy conditions, and outdoor adventures. The 1080p Ultra HD camera captures sharp videos and crisp photos, making them ideal for cycling, hunting, fishing, and travel. Built with impact-resistant ANSI Z87.1-2015 certified lenses, they offer eye protection along with 100% UV400 polarized shielding. A simple one-touch button allows easy operation, with vibration and LED alerts for recording status. The built-in 128 GB memory can store up to 20 hours of footage, and the device supports charging while in use, extending the 60-minute battery life. Priced at $150, these smart glasses are a versatile and practical tool for hands-free recording on the go. PAMBRUM Spy Cam Clock. The PAMBRUM Spy Cam Clock is a discreet yet powerful security gadget designed to blend seamlessly into any setting. With a 4K HD hidden camera and a 166 degrees wide-angle lens, it captures high-quality video even in complete darkness, thanks to its 6 infrared night vision LEDs. This Wi-Fi-enabled device allows for real-time remote viewing via an app, making it ideal for home security or monitoring spaces discreetly. The Smart Motion Detection feature sends instant alerts to your phone, ensuring you never miss any suspicious activity. It supports up to a 256 GB microSD card for continuous loop recording, automatically overwriting old files when full. Priced at $75, this Spy Cam Clock is an excellent option for anyone needing covert surveillance with advanced features like live streaming and night vision. CountureMode Hidden Camera Detector. The CountureMode Hidden Camera Detector is a highly effective tool for detecting hidden surveillance devices, making it a must-have for privacy protection. Covering frequencies from 1 MHz to 6.5 GHz, it can detect hidden cameras, listening devices, and GPS trackers from a range of 5 cm to 15 meters. With 4 detection modes, RF signal, red filter, infrared, and strong magnetic detection, it provides comprehensive security scanning. The vibration anti-theft mode adds an extra layer of protection by alerting users to unauthorized entry when placed on doors. Despite its advanced features, the device remains user-friendly and portable, making it ideal for travel, business meetings, and home security. Priced at $59, this compact detector is an excellent investment for ensuring personal and data security in hotels, Airbnbs, and public spaces. Mini Body Camera. The Mini Body Camera is a compact and versatile security gadget designed for personal and professional use. With a 360-degree rotatable clip, it can be worn on clothing, attached to a bike, or placed on a desk, making it ideal for security personnel, cyclists, or outdoor enthusiasts. It records in crisp 1080p HD at 30 feet per second and features a 90-degree lens for a broad field of view. Enhanced with night vision, it utilizes 4 infrared LEDs to capture clear footage in total darkness up to 15 feet away. The built-in SD card ensures continuous loop recording, automatically overwriting old files when storage is full. Its 800 mAh rechargeable battery offers up to 4 hours of recording time, with the option to charge while in use. Priced at $45, it's a reliable and affordable body cam solution. Jigayao Car Key. The Jigayao Car Key spy camera is a discreet and portable security gadget, cleverly designed to resemble a regular car key. It records in 1080p HD, capturing clear videos and photos while remaining undetectable. With its motion detection mode, the camera automatically records when movement is detected, saving files in 5-minute intervals to maximize storage efficiency. The night vision function ensures visibility in low-light conditions, making it suitable for covert surveillance. A built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 120 minutes of continuous recording per charge. The device also features vibrating feedback and hidden indicators for easy operation without looking. While it does not record audio, it serves as a reliable tool for capturing important footage during travel, lectures, or investigations. Priced at $40, this mini spy cam is an affordable and practical surveillance solution. ZIPCIDE Digital Voice Recorder. The ZIPCIDE Digital Voice Recorder is a compact and versatile audio recording device perfect for students, professionals, and anyone needing high-quality voice capture. Equipped with a 64 GB TF card, it can store up to 776 hours of recordings at 192 kilobits per second. The AI-powered DSP chip ensures superior sound clarity by filtering out background noise, while the dynamic noise-cancelling microphone captures clear audio. The voice-activated recording feature automatically starts when sound is detected, conserving battery life and storage. A 270 mAh rechargeable battery provides up to 15 hours of continuous recording and 30 hours of playback. The user-friendly design includes one-touch recording and headphone playback for instant file review. With its time-stamped files, expandable memory, and multifunctional use, as a USB drive and music player, the ZIPCIDE recorder is an excellent tool for lectures, meetings, and interviews. Spy Earpiece. The Spy Earpiece is a compact and discreet communication tool, perfect for covert listening. Designed as a completely in-canal earpiece, it remains nearly invisible when worn, making it ideal for exams, meetings, or undercover situations. It boasts an impressive battery life of up to 8 hours, surpassing many competitors in longevity. The package includes a 3.5 to 3.5 mm adapter, a 35-inch fine cable with an external microphone and clip, ensuring compatibility with Android phones, tablets, e-readers, and more. The wire neck loop requires no batteries, making it suitable for quiet environments like libraries or home use. However, for optimal performance, the manufacturer recommends using a certified SR416SW battery. Overall, this spy earpiece is a reliable, long-lasting option for discreet communication, but its best functionality depends on using the right battery. GPS Tracker. The Mini GPS Tracker is a compact and lightweight device 0.9 ounces designed for tracking vehicles, pets, personal belongings, and more. Its small size allows for discreet placement in cars, backpacks, or even clothing, making it highly versatile. The GPS Tracker connects to a mobile app compatible with Android and iOS, which integrates with Google Maps for real-time location tracking. The app is user-friendly, allowing seamless operation. A standout feature is its upgraded polymer lithium battery, providing up to 365 days of battery life, eliminating frequent recharging concerns. The tracker also includes a magnetic, waterproof, and dustproof case for secure attachment to metal surfaces like cars or bikes. Additionally, the built-in alarm function helps locate lost items by emitting a ticking sound. Overall, it's a smart, reliable tracking solution. Ohatan Spy Pen. The Ohatan Spy Pen is a discreet and functional hidden camera that seamlessly blends into everyday use. Designed as a working pen, it features a miniature 1080p HD camera for recording clear videos and capturing high-resolution 4032 by 3024 photos. With a simple one-button operation, users can easily start recording or take snapshots without needing additional apps. Equipped with a 32GB internal memory, it provides ample storage for video and image files. The built-in 350 mAh battery allows up to 150 minutes of continuous recording on a full charge. Its USB compatibility ensures quick file transfers and convenient playback on a computer. Ideal for business meetings, lectures, or security purposes, this spy pen combines practicality with covert recording capabilities, making it a valuable gadget for discreet documentation and note-taking. Optimus GPS Tracker. The Optimus GPS Tracker is a reliable and discreet tracking device designed for real-time location monitoring. Equipped with a powerful twin magnet case, it securely attaches to vehicles, machinery, or valuables. With a customizable update frequency ranging from every 10 seconds to 1 minute, it provides precise tracking tailored to your needs. The tracker requires a monthly subscription for continuous operation, but in return, users get instant alerts via text or email for movement, geofencing, or low battery. Its long battery life lasts up to 2 months under default settings, reducing the need for frequent recharges. The easy-to-use tracking software allows 24/7 live monitoring, making it ideal for keeping an eye on vehicles, assets, or loved ones. Compact, durable, and highly accurate, the Optimus GPS Tracker is a great investment for security and peace of mind. Daxiongmao Borescope. The Daxiongmao Borescope is a versatile and practical inspection camera designed for industrial and home use. Featuring a 2.4-inch HD IPS screen and an 8mm micro camera, it delivers a 170 degrees wide-angle view with sharp, high-definition visuals. The 6 adjustable LED lights ensure clear imaging even in dark or confined spaces. Its ergonomic handheld design allows for one-handed operation, making it user-friendly and efficient. The 11.5-foot semi-flexible cable can easily navigate tight areas, making it perfect for inspecting plumbing, engines, chimneys, and more. With an IP67 waterproof rating, it performs well in wet environments. Unlike many endoscopes, this device operates independently without the need for Wi-Fi, apps, or smartphones, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Compact, durable, and easy to use, the Daxiongmao Borescope is a great tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Spy Camera. The Spy Camera is a high-quality wireless security gadget offering ultra-clear 4K resolution with excellent night vision. Its 120 degrees wide-angle view ensures comprehensive monitoring, making it ideal for home security, pet watching, or baby monitoring. Setting up the camera is incredibly simple, requiring only 3 quick steps to configure via Wi-Fi, 2.4G only. Motion detection technology provides instant notifications when movement is detected, keeping you informed in real time. Storage options include both cloud storage with a 30-day free trial and SD card support up to 128 GB for continuous recording. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this compact camera is completely wireless, allowing flexible placement indoors or outdoors. Device sharing features enable multiple users to monitor the same feed. Overall, it's a reliable, affordable, and easy-to-use security solution. Hidden Compartment Coin. The Hidden Compartment Coin is a brilliantly designed spy gadget that provides a discreet way to store small confidential items. Expertly crafted from real coins, it features a secret interior compartment that is virtually undetectable. Even under close inspection, it looks and feels like an ordinary coin, making it perfect for securing sensitive information, small messages, or micro SD cards. Unlike traditional hiding spots, this covert coin remains hidden in plain sight. It is securely sealed and requires a special opening tool, ensuring accidental openings are impossible. Whether used for personal security, espionage, or simply as a novelty, this gadget is an excellent blend of craftsmanship and functionality. For $26, it offers a unique, nearly foolproof way to keep valuables safe from prying eyes, making it an intriguing addition to any spy gear collection. Titanium Hidden Bolt. The Titanium Hidden Bolt is a high-quality covert storage device designed for ultimate discretion. Crafted from real M20x80mm titanium, this bolt is CNC finished for precision, ensuring no visible gaps when screwed shut. Inspired by the Cold War-era Soviet KGB dead-drop bolts, this modernized version offers a larger storage capacity, while maintaining complete stealth. The hidden compartment, measuring 15mm in diameter and 86mm deep, is perfect for storing small valuables like micro SD cards, emergency cash, or important documents. The left-hand threading on the bolt head adds an extra layer of security, preventing easy tampering. For $24, this spy gadget is a clever and durable way to keep sensitive items hidden in plain sight. Whether for security or novelty, it's a must-have for espionage enthusiasts and collectors alike.